Well, Madison, historic Greenville has been leveled. I can count more buildings standing tonight than I can count the buildings that have been destroyed. Take a look behind me at a pharmacy, now unrecognizable. It's was one of the oldest buildings in historic Greenville. I spoke with the owner tonight, also a Plumas County supervisor who is absolutely devastated by the loss, but already committing to rebuilding.
Been here since 1973, and it's really hard to stomach this.
Longtime Greenville business owner and Plumas County Supervisor Kevin Goss saw his town for the first time since it was reduced to ash and debris.
Now that I've seen this, now I'm better. I'm not great, obviously. This is sad.
Despite the widespread destruction, he's committing to rebuilding.
It's a slow, arduous, long process that's going to be painstaking.
A process 76-year-old Woody Culleton knows all too well. He survived the Camp Fire, California's most deadly and devastating fire in Paradise.
We know what it's like.
He's here today to offer support from his town, still rebuilding from the 2018 fire. Survivors there are collecting donations to send to a town that suffered a similar fate as theirs.
The people that had to run from this fire like we did, it changes you. You're just not the same.
Meanwhile, the Dixie Fire continues to excel uncontrollably. The firefight continues as crews begin clearing areas in the burn scar.
My heart goes out to the people that lost their homes. So I'm just glad I can come up here and assist with firefighters and putting these trees down.
Trying to make it safe enough for folks to return home. Now, CAL FIRE officials say at least 4 people remain missing tonight. That number could possibly go up. We stand for you here at ABC 10. We spoke with so many people who have so many questions as to whether or not everyone made it out safe and whether or not their homes are still standing and when they're going to be let back in. Supervisor Goss says he is urging patience right now.